Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to teach your child basic addition. Come, let's get into the video. Before getting into the addition, first thing they need to know is to count 1 to 100. For that, first start with 1 to 20. You can take a printout like this, most preferably white background with the black letters, so that will help them to memorize very easily. So first start with 1 to 20. Next move on from 20 to 40, likewise till 100. In the middle, you can also give them an exercise like this. This will help them to recognize the numbers. So 3, this is 3. So you have to color 3 shapes. This is 2. They can color 2 shapes like this. So likewise, you can give your own exercise for them to do. So once they familiarize with 1 to 100, both writing and recognizing the number, then next step you can go is missing numbers. Why the missing number is very important is, missing number introduce them the concept of what comes after and what comes before. So like, see what comes after 3, that is 4. So likewise here, what comes before 32 is 31. So before getting into addition, it's very important for them to find this concept of before and after. So we can give them exercise from 1 to 20 and then 20 to 40 like this. It won't exercise, won't print out. You can take a one printout or write it in a note for them to familiarize with after and before concept of missing numbers. Next is count and write down the number of object. Like they have to count the object and they have to write down the number. This is counting. So you can take a printout like this, or you can create your own printout and own worksheet for them to do. Make sure the worksheets are more colorful. This will attract them more easily. Once the counting is done, next thing you are going to concentrate is like more or less. So there are two groups. They have to circle which one has more. So this concept is very important for addition. I'll let you know why it is very important in the later part. So they have to circle which group has more objects, which group have more number of object or less number of object, whatever. You can give your own worksheets for them to do. Once they familiarize with less or more concept, next concept that will help them is greater than or less than. It is more important. Give them more worksheet for them to do. Familiarize with greater than or less than numbers. So once they familiarize with such kind of greater than or less than numbers, now we can start going into the addition. The first step for addition is you have to count the object and write the number. Count the object and write the number, and count together to write the added number. So this is like count the object, write the number and find the sum. So they have to count the object and write the number, and they have to find the sum. Kavin, do you want to do this?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Very good.
And there's 1.
Okay. How many total sum is there?
There is 7.
Very good.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Sandwich. Very good.
And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
How many total sandwiches are there?
There 8.
Very good.
There is 6. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 9. 10.
How many are there?
10.
Very good. So if you use a sheet like this, you can just rub and you can reuse this worksheet again. That saved me a lot of time. Likewise, you have to teach them addition both vertically and horizontally, so that whatever form they give, they know what to do. The same like what we did before. They ask them to count, and I have to have them to write. Can you do this, Kavin?
Okay. There are 1 and 3. There are 4. 4. 1, 2, and 6. There are 8.
Okay. Likewise, you have to do all the sums like this. Once they familiarize with all these concepts, now we are getting into the actual concept of addition. We can do addition, we can teach addition for them in 3 ways. I will tell you how to do it. First thing, by using lines. Before getting into that, first thing you have to do is, we already learned the concept of greater number and small number. So, ask them to see which is the greater number. So, in this, the greater number, what is the greater number come in?
4.
Okay. So, which is a small number here?
2.
Okay. First thing is draw lines. Draw line for small number. Small number. Then count. How will you count? Keep 4 in mind. 4 after
5, 6.
Ah.
And 6.
This is why we learnt after concept in missing numbers and greater than and small number, so that they can count easily. This is using line. Can you do once again for this also? Which is a small number here.
1.
How many lines you will put?
1.
Then count.
4, 5. 5.
Very good. Okay. Next concept is using fingers. So here also, which is the small number?
2.
And how many fingers you will leave?
2.
Ah.
2. 5 there.
What will you do now?
Greater number 5. There are 6, 7, and 7 are there.
You're right.
And
Very good. You're right.
7. Where's the working?
So first one you learnt is drawing a line. Now one you learnt is using fingers, and third one is using scale. For this, for 6 plus 3, come in, keep finger on 6, this finger on 6, and count 3 number from 6.
1, 2, 3.
And answer is
9.
very good. This is using ruler. So far we have seen adding numbers in 3 ways. One is like by using lines, second is by using fingers, and third is by using ruler or scale. And now we have to teach them addition in this way. So if the question is given in this way or this way, they know what to do. So it is very important for them to teach both the ways, like vertically and horizontally. Next thing that we have to teach them is a double addition. It's like 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3. They have to get familiarized with this. This helps them to increase the speed of doing their addition. Once it is done, next thing you have to do is simple word problem. This helps them to understand the concept of addition. Like Sarah has 3 dogs and 4 cats. How many pets does she have in all? If there is all, they have to add. You can prepare a file like this, and you can put all your worksheets here like this, and ask them to work on it every day, so that they get familiarized with the concept of addition. Once it is done, on side by side, you can also use books like, you can get ordered books like this from Amazon or any bookstore, and they have to keep on practicing it. Only by practicing, it will be very easy for them to get familiarized with the concept. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe and press the bell button.